Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. From the title, you already know what we are going to be doing today. It's me trying out this trending rubber band hairstyle, but I kind of did mine differently. I used marley twist, and then with the rubber band, most people do it like all the way to the front. I just didn't want mine to look that way, so I did it like this, and I think it looks cute with the marley twist. So if you want to see how I was able to achieve this, then you should definitely keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this video with your friends and families. And until next week, bye. To begin, I'm going to start parting my hair on the side because that is where I want my crisscross to be. Next, I'll be applying my olive oil hair gel at the front of my hair to kind of slick the front down and the side as well. Then I'm going to make this straight line, and then this is where I'm going to start my first crisscross. As you can see, I'm not making my rubber bands so tight because I don't want to rip off my edges, so I'm just making it like gentle. Then I'll move on to do the second one. So for the front, I did 3. I could have done 4, but I didn't want so much rubber band going on at the side, so I just did 3. So in all, I had about 9 rubber band strands at the front after I did the crisscross. Moving on to the second phase, so as you can see, when I got to the second one, I picked a piece of the strand from the front and added it to the back before I used the rubber band. I'm going to repeat the step one more time here. Before I use the rubber band on the second one, I'm picking piece of hair from the front because that is the design I want to do. You can literally do it anyhow you want to do it, but this is how I chose to do mine. I added the hair in front to the back before I use the rubber band. Once you are done, you should get something like this. Next, this is the hair that I'm going to use, is the Darling Natural Twist in 20 inches. I use 2 packs for this hairstyle. This is how the hair comes in the pack, and then once I stretch one out, this is how it looks like. I used 2 of the strands. What I showed you, I used 2 to do the braids just because I wanted my braids to be thick and bigger. If you want it smaller, you can use just 1 or even half of it, but I wanted mine bigger, so therefore I used 2. To begin braiding, I'm holding my real hair before bringing in the extension, and as you can see, I started by doing 3 strand braids at the roots just because I wanted it to be secured and more firm before I then split my natural hair into 2 and then began doing the twist. Once you are done, you should get something like this. Moving on to the second hair, I'm going to repeat the same process. So if you didn't get it the first time, make sure you get it this time around. Once I was done braiding the front section, this is how they looked like. I'm going to braid the rest of the hair off camera because it was like me repeating the same process at the front. So I'll get back to you when I'm done with the hair. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and you learned something from it. I didn't dip the hair in hot water. I didn't trim it. I didn't do anything. I just left it in its natural state. Until next week, stay fast, stay beautiful, and subscribe to this channel. Bye.